Baby tails. Hello, fellow artists and veggie enthusiasts. Welcome back to our creative corner. Today, we're diving into the world of vibrant vegetables as we draw and color a tasty assortment: carrots, corn, tomatoes, eggplants, and bell peppers. Let's kick off our veggie feast with the vibrant carrot. Draw a tapered shape, add some leafy greens, and let's add a burst of orange to our canvas. Carrots are not just tasty, they're a delight to draw and color. Now, let's move on to the golden corn. Draw those kernels in neat rows, add a husk, and let's infuse this corn with sunny yellows. Corn on the cob has never looked so artistic. Next up, the juicy tomato. Draw a round shape, add a little stem, and let's splash this tomato with vibrant reds. Tomatoes are a kitchen staple and a canvas for your colorful imagination. Now, let's bring in the elegant eggplant. Draw its distinctive shape, add a leafy top, and let's color this eggplant with rich purples. Eggplants are not just for recipes, they're a work of art. Last but not least, the colorful bell pepper. Draw the classic bell shape, add seeds inside, and let's paint this pepper with vibrant greens, reds, or yellows. Bell peppers are a rainbow of possibilities. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to draw and color. Let your creativity flow, experiment with colors, and let these veggies become your edible masterpieces. And there you have it, a cornucopia of colorful vegetables. We've turned our paper into a canvas of tasty delights with carrots, corn, tomatoes, eggplants, and bell peppers. Thanks for joining us, and be sure to subscribe for more fun and creative art tutorials. Until next time, happy drawing, happy coloring, and happy veggie art.